Thank you for renting from Scamper Rentals. I'm Jason, and I want to go over the importance of your weight distribution hitch and how to properly unhitch and hitch your vehicle. Your weight distribution system helps prevent sag, which brings your truck and your trailer level, and it also prevents sway to keep your family safe. While our technicians are going to get you properly set up, we're going to have everything calibrated for you properly. I want you to understand how to properly unhitch and hitch your vehicle. The process of hooking up your weight distribution hitch is simple, and it starts with making sure that the ball is directly underneath your coupler. The next process is going to be lowering your tongue jack all the way down onto the ball. Once the coupler is on the ball, you want to make sure that it's locked in place. Next, you want to secure it with the hitch pin. Now that we have the coupler properly attached to the ball and secured, now we want to properly install the sway bars. You want to take the bar and secure it firmly into the coupler. You can hear it lock in, and you can feel that it's firmly in place, and you want to check your locking tab to make sure that it's properly secured. And you want to repeat this for the other side. Now with both of the sway bars in place, we want to raise your tongue jack. If you've raised it high enough, you should be able to easily slide your bars right onto your brackets. You want to secure them in place by putting your L bracket in, make sure it goes over top of your sway bars, lock it in place with your cotter pin, and repeat this step for the other side. Next step is we want to lower the trailer. At this point, it's okay to put all of the weight of the trailer onto the hitch and raise the jack leg all the way up. Now we want to connect our safety chains, our brake control cable, and our 7-way. You want to make sure that the safety chains always run through the inside of your hitch bars, never on the outside. You want to connect them firmly to the truck. You want to take your trailer breakaway cable, wrap it one time around your safety chains, run it through the hole in the receiver hitch, connect it back to itself so that it is secure to the vehicle. You want to connect your 7-way to your vehicle and route your cable through your pin coupler. With everything in place, now you're good to drive away. Now that we've shown you how to properly hitch to your vehicle, we want to show you how to unhitch your vehicle so that you can leave the camper at the campsite. The first step is you want to remove the cotter pin, remove your bracket, and repeat this on the other side. Next, we want to use the tongue jack to release the tension off your sway control bars. And just like in your setup, extending your leg or having a block can help speed up the process. Once you've released the tension from the sway bars, now it's time to disconnect. Swing your sway bar open, you pull your locking tab, your bar drops out, and you'll repeat this for the other side. Now that we have the sway bars disconnected, we're going to lower the trailer and show you how to disconnect. Now that the trailer is lowered to the point that it's not putting any weight on your vehicle, now we can go through the disconnect process. The first step is to disconnect your hitch pin. Next step is to unlock the trailer. Next, you want to raise the trailer. Once the trailer hitch receiver has cleared the ball, you can safely disconnect your safety chains and breakaway cable. Next, you want to disconnect your 7-way cord from your truck. Now you can pull your vehicle away from your trailer and begin the process of leveling your trailer for the campsite. Thank you for renting from Scamper Rentals. I hope this quick tutorial helps your family have a safe and fun vacation.